Well, it's another project day, and I've got a few things I want to get done with, let me show you this one. This one is, I want to put a filter into this vent. It doesn't have one right now. I had to buy one that is the right size, but I'll fit it in there. This is a 14 by 20 by 1 filter, basic dust and lint, as you see there, the 300, and I'm going to put it up into this vent. Something that's been missing. I think it's even on the homeowner's information from when we bought this place almost 6 years ago. So that's the first thing that I'm going to do today. Alright, so that's one project down. The next project I have is replace that. I replaced it in the master bathroom, and now I'm going to replace this here in our children's bathroom so they can take their shower properly. Just last week I replaced the fan motor in this bathroom, and so now we need a new shower head to go along with a new fan so that our kids can take showers. This is the brand that I got. It is a Moen 5 settings. Same thing that we added to the other bathroom. This was about, I don't know, 30 bucks at Lowe's. Not a sponsor. So the key is to put this on first, then add the hose and the head. And I do have some tape, some thread seal tape that I'll add if necessary. And the only thing that I've got to be careful of is the chrome plating on this is just superficial. It is not on there very well. So I will make sure to get this installed first carefully. I think there's some rubber gaskets I need to use as well at both ends of this hose. So let's do that next. call that a success. On to the next project. My next small project is out here at the shed, and I've got some scrap metal that I need to add to my other scrap metal. It's just a small amount. I have a box of copper and other type items, and I'm going to take some of those metal pieces from the shower heads and add them to my other scrap metal. So let's do that now. See if I can salvage any of this metal to throw into the bucket as well. I decided that I can also pull this tube out of here, and this is all metal after that. So I'm going to go ahead and clip this end and pull that tube out as well. I'm assuming this is just aluminum, but it's all metal. Let me go get the other one. And once again, I'll take this piece off and cut the ends off of these, pull the tube out of this, throw it in the bucket. Metal is metal. Great, just a few more metal pieces. So here's a really messy one. These jumper cables got in some cars at some point, and they were dry rotted on the plastic, and I took some of the metal off of one side. I want to take the metal off the other side, but this orange plastic is just so messy. I want to try to keep it in this bag, but the metal goes in here, everything else stays in here and then goes in the trash. I think I'm going to transfer this to a bucket or something outside, and that way I can sweep it up if it gets really messy. Hey, thanks for watching. I'm done with the projects for today, but if I do more, I will show them to you. I have a drainage project, I have a shelving project. Yeah, so I'll hopefully videotape those because I can't help but videotape my projects. It's more fun for me when I do that. Thanks for watching.